Very good morning, children. How are you all? Practicing at home of cursive letter. Very good. I know you are very good children and you are listening to your mother and practicing all the cursive letters at home. Yes? Very good. Now in today's video, I am going to teach you cursive capital A and B. Which letter we are going to learn, children? Cursive capital A and B. We already finished cursive small alphabets. Now you have to practice at home. And now today onwards we are going to start new alphabets, that is cursive capital. Okay children, then how to write cursive capital A and how to write B, Miss will show you. You have to see very carefully and don't mix up with the cursive letter and cursive capital. They both are different. Yes, when you write anything, then first letter should come cursive capital. Then you have to continue writing cursive small letter. Are you ready? Very good. Then let's see how to write A. This is a cursive capital A. Which letter? Cursive capital A. A says A. A for apple. Yes, and another picture is A for ant. The apple and ant start with cursive capital A. A says A. Yes. Now how to write A? Let's see that. This is cursive capital A. Cursive capital A. Now how to write A? Let's see that. You have to start from the down blue line, take a small curve, go on top, touch the red line, come down, again same line you have to go, take a small loop and come out. This is cursive capital A. Again one more time, start from the down blue line, curve, slanting line, touch the red line, come down, same line you have to go on top, small loop, touch the blue line. This is cursive capital A. First we have to write C, cursive small c, then circle, same line you have to come down. This is cursive writing A. Small a, start from here. Say and write children. C, circle, same line you have to come down and A. This is cursive A. And now we are going to learn cursive capital A. This A you already learned, yes? Now how to write cursive capital A? Let's see. Come on, how to write? From the down you have to start curve, slanting line, come down. From here, same line you have to go on top and take a small loop. This is cursive capital A. Okay children, see one more time. You have to start from here, curve, go on top, come down, again same line go on top, take a small loop and here A is going to finish. Starting point is this, ending point is this. You don't have to lift your pencil. See one more time children, you have to do correct formation like this, curve, slanting line, come down. From here you don't have to lift your pencil, same direction you have to go on top and take a loop and here we finish a cursive capital A. Like this you have to trace first, okay? Now how to write in a 4-line? Let's see that. So this is a 4-line page, and in 4-line how to write? Let's see. But before that, first you have to write date, and this side of margin you have to write. Come on, you can see 2 blue line and 2 red line. Start from the down blue line, take a small curve, touch the red line, come down, same line go, on top small loop, and this is cursive capital A. Again, say small curve, touch the red line, come down, small loop, cursive capital A. Again, curve, touch the red line, come down, take a small loop, A. Again, let's see how to write correct formation. Slanting line, come down, same line, cursive capital A. Again, you have to continue say and writing, children. Don't lift your pencil. After finished, only you have to lift your pencil. Again, see how Miss Pen is going on. Like this you have to write A. Slanting line, touch the red line, come down, curve, A. You have to do the correct formation. Okay, got it? This is cursive capital A. Now A is finished. After A, which letter will come? After A, B. But this B is cursive capital B. Okay, B says B. Children, sound is very important. Yes, if you know the sound, then you will read from the any book. B says B, and B for ball. B for boy, boy, ball. Yes, this is cursive capital B. Now let's see how to write B. This is cursive capital B. Which letter? Cursive capital B. Capital B, yes. Now how to write B? Let's see. In a 4-line, first start from the red line, standing line, touch the blue line, go back, take one half circle and another half circle. This is cursive capital B. Again, one more time, start from the red line, touch the blue line, go back, take a small loop, one semicircle, other semicircle. First we'll see how to write cursive B. You already learned how to write cursive small b. Let's revise how to write cursive B and capital B. Come on, take down from down, make a L. First you have to make a L, then come up, take a small loop, and this is cursive small b. Start from here. First, which letter you have to do, children? L. Small loop. In the B, you have to take a small loop. And here also little small loop. This is ending and this is starting. Now we'll see how to write cursive capital B. First you have to do standing line. Now go back. Back you have to go small loop. Touch the standing line. One semicircle and another semicircle and little curve. This is cursive capital B. See children, again I am teaching you. Standing line, go back, touch the red line, one semicircle, other semicircle, little curve. This is cursive capital B. You see the correct formation, children. Don't do wrong, okay? See how to write. Standing line, go back. Where you have to go back? Back and touch the blue line. One semicircle, another semicircle. This is cursive B. Now let's see how to write in a 4 lines. See, now first as I said, you have to write date and write this side. Come on, how to write B? Come on, start from the red line, standing line, go back, one semicircle, another semicircle, little curve. This is cursive B. See children, where to write? Start from the red line, come down, touch the second blue line, go back, one semicircle, another semicircle. This is cursive B. Start from the red line, standing line, then directly go back, take a turn and 2 semicircle. This is cursive B. Standing line, go back, one semicircle, another semicircle, cursive capital B. Red line, very easy, standing line, back, one semicircle, another semicircle, B. This is very easy children. You can learn within 1 day also, yes? Come on. Continue, you have to write. Don't lift your pencil. B. Start with the red line. Very good. See how you are very smart children. Start from the red line, touch the blue line, go back, take a small semicircle and B. So here we finished our second letter B, cursive capital B. Yes children? Now children, we already learned how to write 2 joint letters. Now today onwards we will write 3 joint letters. Yes, any letter you can practice, but today we are doing K-I-O. This is not any spelling, just practicing for joining. How to write join letter. Yes, then how to write, come on see. First you have to write K, cursive writing K. From the K you start I. From the I you have to start O. And last you have to put dot on I. K, I, O. This cursive joint letters. Yes, you have to continue writing. Again, first we'll do K. Don't lift your pencil. Continue writing. After K, continue writing I. After I, you have to write O. K, I, O. And last you have to put dot. See one more time. K. Continues writing I. And after I, you write O. See, circle O. And last you have to put dot. Yes. Again K, I, O. You can practice any other letter. See like this. A, B, C. You can write A, B, C. You can write D, E, F, Yes, children. Most important thing is you have to continuous writing. Don't lift your pencil. Okay. Now, after finish the cursive writing, you have to write the words. In words, you have to write like this. So, we are teaching you continuous writing cursive small letters. Okay. So, today we finished cursive capital A, cursive capital B and joining letter KIO. Like this you have to practice in your book. You have another cursive capital book in your book set. Okay children? In that book you have to write A and B. Miss will send you homework. Do practice, then you will learn very fast. Never say I can't, always say I will try. So practice every day. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.